Our Clapton Bench comes with these contents. These are the tools that you'll need. First, lay the planks on the floor with the logos facing upwards. Use a straight edge to align the planks. Then attach the crossbar between the two legs using the bolts and Allen key provided, and push in the wooden dowels. If needed, screw the height adjustable feet into the bottom of the legs. Place the leg frame with crossbar upside down on top of the bench planks, making sure to centralize the frame within the width and length of the bench. Drill pilot holes through the leg frame into the planks, then fix in place using the screws provided. Repeat for the other side. Take care turning over your bench. Now grab a brew and enjoy!